Well, Almaty, Kazakhstan, that was it. Yesterday I made a box, a timber box, wooden box for the bike. That will be transported to Holland, and I am flying to Tbilisi, Georgia first to pick up my drone because I had to leave it there. They didn't like it in Azerbaijan. I'm going to pick it up, and then from Tbilisi I'm going to Indonesia, new adventure. And that is the box I made yesterday, and in there is Rika, the Honda. How cool is that? That's all tight. Tonight I'm flying to Tbilisi in a plane. That's something different, not on a bike. 4 more hours to go, wait, and then to the airport. See you there. I am at the airport in Almaty, and I'm going to Tbilisi, Georgia. It's all in Russian, but it says Tbilisi. Stopover in Georgia. Yes. Back at Tbilisi airport, day later, and I am going to Kuala Lumpur, and tomorrow, Thursday, I arrive at 3 o'clock, and then I have to wait for a few hours, and then I'm going to Medan, Indonesia. So I'm back on the plane again. And I'm looking forward to go to Indonesia. Yes. Really good. Kuala Lumpur airport, and on the way to Medan, Indonesia.